I'm going to cook some food, okay?
Okay.
Today's weather is terrible. All I hear is rain. I'm just gonna have a chill day today. Have food, have a shower, stretch, look after Zoe and Kayla, read and that stuff. So it's nice and cozy, and also nice and cozy pajamas. Food is done.
Mom, why is your hair brown?
Well, I wanted to go back to my natural hair colour.
Okay.
I'm just gonna feed Zoe. If you want to sit down on the sofa and watch TV. Hello Zoe, I'm gonna change your diaper right now. Okay, now that I'm all done, I'm gonna go downstairs and make her baby food. Kayla's probably upstairs right now. The weather's terrible today. All I hear is rain. There you go, Zoe. You can stay for 5 minutes. You have to go up soon as past your bedtime. Okay, good night, Zoe. Kayla, you can go downstairs now because Zoe's gonna sleep.
Okay, Mom.
You can watch TV. I'm gonna read for a bit, okay?
Okay.
Okay, are you gonna have a shower tonight? Or if you're not, you could just go in your pajamas.
I will tomorrow.
Okay, I'm just gonna go in there now, okay? This bath is so nice and warm. But now I need to get dressed because it's been 10 minutes. Kayla, do you want to do some stretching?
Yeah.
Okay, now that we're done, we have to go upstairs because it's past your bedtime. It's 10:30 right now. Okay, Kayla, come on.
Night, Mom. See you in the morning.
Night, Kayla. Have a nice sleep. Guys, I have to shut the door. Make sure you shut the door next time. Now I need to go sleep because I'm really tired right now.